In this video, friends, I will show you how to log in on Nonghyup Banking Korea. So guys, go to Google, search for Nonghyup login, and then click, you'll see this website, click this option, login option, as you can see here, guys. After that, when you click this option, you see this login page from here. Click login page from here. As I say, click this option. And then guys, all you have to do, just wait to see this page. When you click login, you will see this page, two options here: log in with app and log in with your ID. All you have to do, guys, write your ID from here, your unique ID, and then write your password. If you forget a password, guys, you can click forgetting your password. This is rest ID. If you don't if you forget ID, click, you can rest your ID, and also you can rest your password. You can log in with app. Just download the app from this section, go to integrated app page, and then you will log in successfully without any problem. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't skip, like and share this video for more content.